Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, if you know what I can put on my face to remove these spots, please let me know. Anyway, so if you had watched my video that I did yesterday, which is today still for me, I didn't go to work today because of the incident that happened at my school, but my second job emailed me and I am going to work now for my second job, not my main job. I wanted to do Vlogmas, but the reality is my life is so boring, so I pretty much just go to work and then go home and that's it. But if you guys still would like me to record my life here in Japan, let me know and I'll try to do multiple videos per week. Not every single day, but multiple videos per week. Let me know. Anyway, so today I'm going to a location that I have been to before, but because they have added a new train line to my line, I am now going to take a different route to go to work. I'm walking to the train station. It's not that cold. It's about 16 degrees now. Yeah, I live in the middle of two stations, so the station that I go to, oh my god, every darn day me hear siren. I'm so tired of it. Every day now, every day at 3 o'clock 2 o'clock in the night me hear siren. Anyway, so as I was saying, I live in the middle of two stations, so depending on the location that I'm going, then that decides which station I go to. But for today, since I don't want to see my kids, I would have definitely taken the other station, which is the one that I'm going to right now. But yeah, it's windy. I'm almost at the station, but I'm going to the ATM to get some cash first.
Please select your desired transaction. Please wait. Your transaction is being processed.
It's so confusing because I don't even know what train to take. I have to look at Google Maps to figure this thing out. Okay, so I just did my first transfer and oh yeah, there's my train. Yes, so I'm going to Shinjuku side, so I'm taking the 3:38 train. Yeah, so I'm on the right track. Okay, so I just came out of the train. I am about to transfer to another train line, and I ended up going the wrong way. So I guess because this line is fairly new, they haven't updated it on Google Maps just yet. But I'm taking the Meguro line to go to the school today. So lucky thing I decided to go early because although I can't find the entrance to the next train, still walking. This is the same train station. I'm still walking. I am still walking. I'm still walking. Can't believe this. I don't know where I am, but I'm following the signs that said I should come up here. Finally taking platform 3, and then I'm good to go. Finally, my train is here. Finally. Start right now. Hey guys, so I am walking home. My walk home is about 11 minutes, but I am freezing and it's just 12 degrees Celsius, I believe. I had only a 1-hour class, so I'm glad. But because of the new route, I was so confused, but luckily I left early enough so that I wasn't late for work. Yeah, and I only had one student. I just got home. In here it's a little warm, thank God, because I'm freezing. My fruit smoothie to cool me down. Always eat your fruits or blend your fruits. I'm about to wash my dirty clothes. So this is what I use, and I use the liquid one for this as well, but I'm out of it. And I also use this thing. I got this from the convenience store. It's almost finished. My company called when I was at my second job, and they were pretty much asking me if I'm going to work tomorrow, which I told them yes. And then when I was leaving, I saw that I got a missed call, and I called back the number. It was the same person that I spoke with yesterday called me to find out what am I doing and stuff like that. So yeah, so that's the mini update. I don't know how it's gonna be tomorrow. By now everyone in the staff room would have heard, especially because I didn't go to work today. They were like excitement, you know, and I can't bother with attention and all of that, but I'll let you guys know tomorrow evening when I leave work what happened, what's the update and stuff like that. Anyways, I think I'm gonna head out right now. I need to do my hair. By the way, I did my hair. I have a second channel, guys, so you can check out my second channel. I'm gonna leave it in the description box below so that you can watch me do different hairstyles and try on hauls and all kind of random video that's not really Japan related. Yeah, so that's it. I am gonna have a chill night. I'm gonna have a chill night. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope you continue watching my videos and supporting my channel and subscribe. All right, bye.